Yep.
We are interrupting your burnout session just to announce to you, hey guys, this is Devin of Adventure Hobby Passion. Back to you with another video. Hopefully you're enjoying the burnout, so we're definitely not going to make this video long, but this is the Christmas special. We're not just doing a burnout this year. We are one-upping it and doing a bunch of highlight reels of a new project that we might see on the channel if you guys like it. So yeah, back to the burnout.
Go back up a little more.
Round two?
Round two. We're gonna go.
You left the dent already.
Did not blow yet?
No.
Jeez!
Now I am again.
I was gonna say, keep filming, bro.
Okay, I won't stop this time.
Don't stop! It's gonna take us freaking 3-4 tries to get the burnout to blow. She's gonna go. We gotta fix that though one day. Do a fat burnout.
Okay, now you're on.
Guys, she just blew up. She got a big gaping hole right there. She's really sticky.
And it scared the ever living crap out
Yeah,
of me.
Keith almost died.
Oh my gosh, that stinks to high heaven.
Yeah.
Well, it's burnt rubber, Mama.
Yeah, she's got a fat burn. And we filmed
We're
it.
filming it.
No, but look how easy that is. Look, the bead's already off, Mom. That's why you blow a tire versus change it when it's bald.
Why? Because it makes it.
Because it de-beads it, and that's a pain in the butt. And it was fun. It's loud. It lasted a heck of a lot longer than I thought, but
It lasted, I think it.
oh yeah.
Okay, going.
Dang it.
Okay, go. Okay, going.
Okay, I'm recording.
With working my butt.
That worked pretty good.
Ready?
Yeah. it. Nah. Now go low over there.
Like, whoa, why am I pushing it that way?
Alright. Alright, let's see yours do it.
I'm trying to come to the conclusion that Amazon is owned by China. You can't see over there.
It's a ledge.
Just jump it down.
Sorry, I'm in the way.
You might get a height problem there, dude.
Yep. That was pathetic. Do it again. Yeah. All right. Round 3, I guess. Yeah. Can't land it. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Kind of different. We did the burnout for the Christmas special, but we also are introducing a new part that a new hobby that I really enjoy, and I do spend a lot of time. If you've seen a lot of the highlight reels of me playing RC cars. Heck, this is my basement where I do my editing. This side stuff's my dad's, his bomber, his Wraith, my bomber, my Rift, his scale truck, another scale truck I got, and then I got like 4 more scale trucks. I got some kits, all this on the workbench and everything, getting it all done. If you want to see a lot more of these content of, heck, maybe some stuff of me building it, a lot more, do some highlight reels. We do go to events all the time. There's one every month. We try to make it to everyone, and me and my family, my dad and my uncles and everything, we try to go. We drive a bunch of cars and go through. We try to do like a 5K with them. If you want to see a bunch of those highlight reels, freaking let me know. I might just start uploading it anyways, because I do think the RC cars are freaking dope. And to keep entertaining content, not just, hey, I'm working on this. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But big thing, my channel, go out and go find your passion.